Hi guys, sorry I haven't posted a video in a while, but I just haven't had that many good ideas. But I have an idea, elephant toothpaste. So our ingredients for this in the bottle are 3% hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, and blue food coloring. You can choose whatever food coloring you want, but I chose blue because I thought it would be cool. And in here, we have water and yeast. So it's yeast water. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the yeast water into the funnel. It'll create a chemical reaction on the bottom and burst up. So make sure you take your safety precautions like I am by putting on gloves and goggles. All right, now we're ready. So all we have to do is pour the yeast water into the funnel and it'll come up. So in 3, 2, 1, go. It's bubbling up. Here it goes. Come on. Yeah. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh yeah. It's still coming out. Whoa. Looks like a waterfall. So yeah, if you ever wondered what elephant toothpaste looked like, here you go. Whoa. By the way, Coca-Cola is not a sponsor of our video. We just use it as a bottle. So thanks guys for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe so we can keep growing our channel. Thank you.